Hi, John from OCAM here. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to put the OCAM awning walls together with your OCAM awning. First, you'll get your package. It'll be packaged up like this. So open it all up. And take it out of the box. Now, there is quite a bit of weight in here. It is heavy. It does come with a floor as well. So it'll keep you nice and dry on those cold, wet nights when you're out camping. So the best thing to do when you get your box of awning walls is take it out of the box and lay it out flat on the floor. You get a carry bag to put your awning walls in. There's also tent pegs that come with it. Okay, so once we've got our awning walls opened up and spread out underneath the awning, we're able to see which way it should be facing, as you do have the piece that does feed into the awning ends. So what we'll do is we'll push it out past the car so we can start sliding it in. Might be good to do it with two people, however it can be done on your own. Okay, so once we've put that end of the awning tent on the vehicle, next step is to get the other end. The other end does have a detachable piece, like so. It'll make it a lot easier to put it in through the other end. Once you've done that, the next part is to start hooking up the tent, the awning walls, to the side support. As you can see, the awning walls, not only does it come with a floor, but it's also fully enclosed to give you that extra protection that you're going to need. Okay, so once we've hooked the side walls up, there's also hooks to go around the uprights. Okay, so once we've got the awning walls all hooked up to the actual awning, next thing to do, because we've stretched it out a little bit too far and we can't reach it, next thing to do is just to retract it in a little bit in order to get it all zipped up, and then we'll pull it nice and tight again. As you can see, there's a nice big heavy duty zip which will last you a very long time. There you go. Once we have it all zipped up, next thing to do is just to pull it all nice and tight again. Okay, so the next thing to do is to peg in all the corners of the tent. As stated before, the awning walls do come with its own tent peg kit. With the kit you get your 4 pegs for each corner of the walls. Now that we've got the awning walls all pegged down, let's go in and have a look as to what it's like on the inside. As you can see, there's a nice big door opening. You can see we've opened up the awning door, and there's a nice big fly screen there just to keep all the mozzies and flies away. Let's go inside and have a look. As you can see, it's all fully sealed. You've got your floor, you've got your walls, and you've got your ceiling. There's also a window on either side of the awning tent. There is fly screen attached to each window, and you can open up the window from the outside. The fly screen on the sides do not open up. Also, the awning tent has a door on the vehicle side. Okay, so if you need access into your vehicle from when you're inside your tent awning, you're able to lift up the door and have access. Once you're done, so what we'll do is we'll also open up one of the windows just so we can get some more light in here and get some air coming through. As you can see, the windows do come with zips. And there you have it. That's how you set up your OCAM awning and awning tent. Now we're ready to camp. Thank you for watching and have a great day.